What's going on, everybody? Dave back again, and today we're going to be taking a look at something I picked up from Galactic Toys, and this is going to be the DSPIAE base for your chisel tip. I believe you can fit any of them, be it the push or the pull, also the hook, and in pretty much any of their other bits. But we're also going to end up finding out if you can use like the MadWorks tips in here, and also, so without further ado, this is going to be super quick. We're going to take a look at what comes into the box, and I will tell you right now, this is super heavy. But let's jump down the table, take a quick look, and then we will close out this video. All right. So here we are with the DSPIAE AT-PR base for the PB push brooch. The base contains 22 tool holes, each with its size labeled, and again it says this is dedicated to these. You have the usual DSPIAE high quality, just telling you how it's made. You can pause this and read this if you like. And what is interesting, and I hadn't noticed this on any of the others, each product has a unique ID code and 16-bit security code to identify authenticity. I don't know if there's been issues with people making copies of these, but that's definitely interesting. We're going to have to end up checking online, seeing if they make copies. On this side over here, you have what it ends up looking like. And over down here, you have just more information about it, what it's made of, mature, 10 and up. All right, pulling off the top. And if you guys have already seen my live stream that I did the other day, I already gave you guys a sneak peek. But for those that are new, the packaging, like, damn, like all their packaging has been highly high quality, very well made. Like, I don't know what this is, but there's no budging. You could definitely use these boxes for something else. Taking a look over here, you have a info card on here, just telling you thank you. It has a scratch and sniff. Yep, smells like grape aluminum. You do have a rubber mat that goes on the bottom just so it doesn't slip around. You get the acrylic dust cover. You get the actual base itself. I'm not sure why there's pinholes on the bottom. Maybe it's for something bigger that they have planned, like an actual desk setup. That would be really interesting. So getting the box out of the way, we will not be saving this. It will be going in the trash because I don't want to be a hoarder. Taking a look, let's crack this open. And amazingly enough, I do plan on using this. And out. All right, so it's just a simple dust cover, fits over like so, very reflective-y. Doesn't fit on there super tight, but I mean, it's not supposed to. It's just supposed to keep the dust off, which it does. Let's take and stick on this part right here. So we're going to peel off the backing. Just lay it out nice and even. Press down, and yep, that sticks pretty damn good. All right, so this does have a few like scuffs on it, and it's not for me. It already came that way, but this thing is heavy, like super heavy. So again, I have some brand new DSPIAE tips here that I haven't even done anything with. We are going to check and see how the fit is. And this is going to be the 1mm, and that's going to fit in just like that. The hole is the perfect size, and I would hope that it would be because, well, it's made for it. You have all the sizes from a 0.15, 0.125, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2, 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8, and 3. Now, I will be honest, in my own opinion, and again, this is my own opinion, most of these sizes up here, unless you're working on something that's absolutely freaking huge, you won't end up needing. So what I would recommend is you can purchase all these others if you choose to, all the way up to a 2, but use these others for, they make a triangle tip for panel line scraping. They make some other tips. You could use these up here just to hold those, but those fit really good. And over here I have a MadWorks tip, and this is a 0.5. And let's see how that ends up fitting. So where is our 0.5? 0.5 is right there, and it fits in very well. Little more jiggle room with the MadWorks than the DSPIAE, but it fits in very well. Sits pretty even, and it keeps everything protected. Now, I like this because one, I can keep track of them. I don't have them just rolling around in a drawer, or I don't have them just in these boxes just wherever. Two, you can actually mix and match now your MadWorks and your DSPIAE tips. I have to say, just from me messing around, the quality seems to be just about on par with each other. The only thing that I would knock DSPIAE for, and it's only on the few tips that I do have for them, is MadWorks actually has their sizing engraved, laser engraved onto the blade. So this one says 0.5 with an M for MadWork, and I really wish that they had done so with the DSPIAE. Their quality is good, everything is good about them, but I wish somewhere on here, whether it be on the shaft or whether it be on here, that it actually said what size that it was. So right now on Galactic Toys, this guy is $27.95, and then remember to use code Starshadow for 10% off of that as well. Is it worth that? If you're serious in the hobby and you have a bunch of tips and things, I would definitely suggest getting this for that. It's going to stay put. It is going to slide around on here because, well, this is a cloth mat, but if you put it onto a hobby mat or anything else, it is not going anywhere. Like, it doesn't go anywhere. I like the fact that it does have the dust cover on there, so you can keep your tips protected. No issues with that. And you're not going to accidentally stab yourself 300 times when you reach over for something if the cover is on there. But you have to remember, put the cover on there. So again, $27.95 on Galactic Toys right now. They are in stock, and use code Starshadow for 10% off. This is a definitely buy for me, even if you're not going to end up using any of the DSPIAE tips and you're only going for MadWorks or something else of that size. It's worth it. You definitely, when you get the package, even before you open it, you feel like you've gotten your money's worth out of it. All right, guys, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. It has been a pleasure. Definitely stay tuned. More videos coming. If you like these type videos and you want to see more, definitely click that like button, click that subscribe button. They're down here somewhere. Leave a comment, tell me what kind of tools and things that you'd like to see in the future, and I will see about picking them up. Until next time, YouTube, peace out.